Sorry about the cutoff there in part 1. This is part 2. I wasn't paying attention at the time when we just about ran out. Part 2 of custom alerts using alerts data editor or trigger editor, either or. And of course, this is Quickshot 14 coming at you using the Ion Cannon Wars map that I'm developing as my example. You can find more information on my YouTube videos, and of course you can find the map at se2mapster.com. So that's really all there is, like I said, to doing custom alerts, either by trigger or by data editor. Depending on your alert that you want to send, you'll do one or the other. If you don't want to take the time to actually make a custom alert, an actual custom alert in the alerts field in the data editor, obviously you can easily just make your own type here, but you're still going to have to pass some sort of alert type for the sound and all that, so it's best to just go ahead and make one. So what we're going to do next is I need a new alert of when my ion cannons are getting ready to fire to warn the players. So we're going to create a new alert for that, and I'm going to call this ion cannon prepping or firing. Just call it fire. And this will be a new alert, and I want to display to everybody. Duration I want to be about 9 seconds, a little longer than usual. Everything else is fine. Icon, we'll use the planetary fortress because that represents our ion cannons. So we'll go through the buttons here and look for unit, Terran, planetary fortress, or whatever it's called. Oh Lord, it's a pain in the butt sometimes to find stuff. Centers, Jackal, Marauder, blah 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 blah, Predator. I don't see it at all. Let me just do this button. Could be under ability instead, and it's not. Wonderful. Don't you just love it? Ah, probably under building. That would make sense. Yep, there it is. So we'll just set that as our icon. Of course, at a preview. Alright, so overlap. Won't worry about the overlap. Preferable, like I said, leave that as unknown if you're not going to change it. If you don't want it to be in the initial types, just leave it. So that's what I'm going to do. We are going to have a ping. So I'm going to stick a ping model here. Just scroll under the P's until you find ping alert. And we'll have that there, and we're going to make that about 7 seconds, because after 8 it won't matter. And you can target it, that's fine. Queue time, no queue time. Sound, for now we'll just set up a preliminary alert. Let's see here, we'll just do the call down launch, the nuke one. That'll work just fine. And text, set this up. Ion cannon charging, weapon charging detected. I like that. That'll work. And real quick, let's go ahead and make this an actual color. Kind of a yellowish. That's always nice. Kind of a little blacker. There we go. There we are. Nice yellow. And there we go. So we have our alert now. Very simple. Ion cannon fire is going to send it off. We want it to do it when it's getting ready to fire. And this will be really, really simple, hopefully. We're going to go under effects here. I'm going to find ion cannon effect. I believe there's an alert. Actually, let's go under abilities. This will be even easier. We're going to find our ion cannon, ghost fire ion cannon. We'll come down here to UI alert array, and we're going to do on caster channel. Channel. We'll do it on channel. Try that. And we're going to look for our alert here. There it is. Ion cannon fire. Hit OK. And save. And that's it. that should make it so when our ghosts come over and start channeling the ability to fire the ion cannon, this alert should go off. So let's test it and make sure that's what happens. Very simple. Alerts aren't that hard at all, and they're really, really cool and really useful. And they definitely make your map look a lot more like it's supposed to be where it's supposed to. It's a lot better than using the old text alerts at different areas because it has a specified area. So it makes things really nice. So we'll wait. We gotta wait a little bit. Wait for our power to come online. And we gotta wait for our ion cannon to get enough energy so we can fire it. If you want to see how this ability works, there is a tutorial I have up about how we get using another unit to issue another order to another unit at a target using the data editor. So there is a tutorial on that up as well, so if you want to know how to do this. There it is. Ion cannon weapon charging detected. Very nice. And I used the nuke. That didn't seem to fire right, did it? I hate it when it does that. Sometimes that happens. I'm still trying to figure that out. But it works great. Very nice. Very, very nice. Very simple. And there it goes. So, there you go. That's how you do that. And like you saw with the triggers are very straightforward. Not very hard. But that's how you do it through the data editor. And that's really all I have for you guys. I hope you found it useful. I hope you find it enjoyable. Have fun making alerts and playing around with them. And until next time.